What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the download folder location in your Opera browser. Right, so I'm going to open up my Opera browser here, and on the upper left hand side click on the Opera logo, then click on settings. Now from here under the basic settings guys, you want to scroll all the way down to advanced, then expand that again, and then you want to scroll all the way down guys, all the way down until you'll find downloads. Now here under downloads you have the location, C drive user, and your downloads, right? That's the default location that is set. But if you want to change that, just simply go ahead and click change here, and you can choose whichever folder you want. You could even set it to documents, you can even set it to desktop. It's totally up to you, or you can even create a new folder and you'll be able to change that. So let's say I want to put it to documents. Just select that and then click select folder, and as you can see it is now there. As well guys, if you want to enable a function that says ask when to save before downloading the file, you can simply toggle this on, and whenever you're going to download a file, it wouldn't start automatically, but it will ask you first before you download. And as well, that also gives you the option to choose where you want to download that file and save that file, right? So that's all there is to it guys. Very easy and very simple. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.